Hey guys, it's Libby and I'm currently at my bedroom at home, but this is a room tour of my apartment. And I'm gonna be honest, I moved about 2 or 3 weeks ago and I finally got to editing this video and I wanted a proper intro. So basically, the apartment that I'm gonna be showing you is the apartment that I've lived at for 2 years. I've had 2 different roommates at that apartment and I've loved living there, but the 2 things that stress me out about it is, one, it'd be right in my college campus area and it's a very small apartment, and so I was ready to get out of there. I got a new apartment, I'm living there now, I'm still working on decorating it, but I wanted the memories, so I decided to do a room tour for not only me, but for you guys if you're curious too, and that way you guys can check out where I was living, where I was filming for the past 2 years, and let me know what you think. If you guys like this video, make sure you leave a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. But other than that, let's go ahead and get started.
Here we are, we've made it. We are in my apartment. So this is a video that you guys have requested. And this is a video that I've wanted to film, but since I am leaving in a couple of days, I figured this was the time to film it. So don't worry, the lighting is going to get better. I just kind of wanted to give you an overview of what it looks like when you first walk into my apartment. But what I'm gonna go do is open up those blinds and then start from that area right over here to the kitchen. And that way you guys can see everything. So let's go ahead and get started. Here we are. I promised better lighting and this is what it is. So that is the door we started at, and then this is the layout of my apartment. So I do have a roommate. This is her room and she's not here today, which is why we're filming and talking out loud in the living room. And then that is my room, but because of privacy, I don't want to really show her stuff and show her rooms. I'm just going to really focus on my things. So over here, we got a pile of junk that I really don't know where else to put, so she is so gracious and always lets me keep my things here, which she's awesome for letting me do. So I just have a book bag that I take to work. In those brown boxes, I just have some glassware that I'm taking to the new apartment, and then I have an umbrella on there. In here, I have an iron, a duvet cover that was really expensive and I was supposed to return and never did, so I just kind of voided it, put it in this corner. This right here should look familiar with the irons in. It's my Bath & Body Works bag. I have not touched any of that stuff because I really want to use it at the new place. So got that. In my room later, you will see that I made a little DIY thing. I actually have a video of it. So I have leftover flowers. Don't want to throw away, but I think I'm going to have to. I just kind of don't know what to do with them. So again, avoided problems and put them out in the living room. I have a old dehumidifier that I really needed before, but now I don't, but I don't want to get rid of it. So it's there. So apologies for the junk. Now the more interesting things. Okay. So this is what it looks like, our little living room set. Over here by her door, I have my step stool. You see me use this when I do Romney videos or Zaffle videos or whatever, when I'm stepping and showing you clothing. So let's give a big thank you to that. We have a flower vase, and then over here are the couches. They're just like this, I don't know, suede-ish material. They're gray. They're really forgiving, so it's great. And then we have like this brown furniture, as you can see. So let's start on this side. Okay, so on this side is this tapestry. I actually used this tapestry on my freshman and sophomore dorms, and so it had a special place in my heart. So when I moved into this apartment, I was like, I need to use it somewhere, so I just went ahead and put it in the living room. So that is that. And then these pillows are actually from my old bedding also, so I just brought them. I probably won't use this in my new apartment, so let's just say goodbye to this one. I really, really love it, and I don't know, it's just a special place in my heart. And then on this side, I am so lucky. They gave, hi, you can see me, this is kind of awkward, but they gave us this TV, and obviously I have to keep it here. It's furnished, but it's just such a nice TV. But honestly, I watch Netflix in my bed more than I use this TV. And then here, right here, is my little lighting stand that I always use to film videos. And then here are our bar stools and a little bar. Honestly, no one really uses it unless someone is cooking. So we have that. And then over here, little thermostat, and I have extra blankets in this basket. And this door right here is our laundry. It just has a little washer and dryer, and then up here you see our pods, and then a little Swiffer. This door right here is like the water heater thing. Honestly, it's locked, can't go in there. And this is the front door we started with. Over here we have some cleaning supplies and the trash can, not important. Okay, so this is what the kitchen looks like, and I think it is really, really nice because you get so much natural sunlight coming in. And so this is our dishwasher, this is our refrigerator, and over there is our oven and microwave. So I'm going to be really mindful and not show you everything just because half these things are my roommates. But What I do show you, I'm kind of embarrassed because it is kind of a mess, but this is a blender, that is hers. This is her drying rack. This is a really nice space to just cook in. And then over here, oh my gosh, this is embarrassing, but we got our sauce and random, sure. So everyone has one of these. So this one's ours. Over here, I just keep like random like cups, plates, anything like plasticky and extra that we might have. Again, dishwasher, this is what our sink looks like. We have a cooking board or like a cutting board, that's what I mean, a cutting board, a knife, a water bottle. And then in here, just like cleaning supplies, really, really random and not fun. These are some of her snacks. And then this is like my utensil drawer, so a lot of the things I cook with and like spatulas, chopsticks, whatever I need to cook with. That is where she keeps her pots and pans. My little mess is on this side. And then up here, this is where we keep our snacks. I am definitely out of food, so these are the most random things that I do not eat. And so this is what I have in my pantry right now. Basically nothing. And then over here, we have my toaster, and she has, this is her crock pot. I had to think about that word. And then this right here is my special cabinet. She let me have this whole thing, which was so sweet. So basically, I have a lot of teas over here. I have some honey. Please look at that honeycomb. That is so cool. Some turmeric. And then up here is like my sprinkles and marshmallows and food dye. So this is my favorite. And then over here are some of my like plasticware that I use. I honestly don't have that great of cups or anything to use, which is why I had the box over there, so that way in my new apartment I will. So I just have a bunch of water bottles, whatnot. Over here I have my apron. It is like ombre, it is beautiful. I did a lot of HelloFresh stuff, so I have HelloFresh menu things. Down here is my cabinet of my plates, my stackable bowls. I got some really cute coconut bowls when I went to the Philippines. These are artichokes, so good. Tupperware. But yeah, and then we got a bunch of cereal. And then our fridge, not really interesting either. But now, I'm gonna go ahead and take you to my room, which is over there in that corner. Okay, so let's do it. So this is my room and what it looks like when you first walk in. So it's a tapestry, as my bedding. And yeah, that's basically it. So this is the side you guys see when I film a lot. Okay, this thing is crooked, but this has fallen so many times that I just kind of gave up on it, and I'm okay with it being crooked. So if you notice on my videos, apologies, it won't be like that for much longer because I'm moving. So we're going to start right here on the ledge. So I have a couple books I've read in the past. I have a succulent and a little plant right over here. Obviously, it is kind of dying. I have a EOS lip balm, a pair of earrings from Urban Outfitters my friend gave me for my birthday, which was super sweet. This right here that my friend made for her graduation as little presents for everyone. It lights up and it's really, really cool at night. So it's like a little mason jar. My camera cap that I'm using right now. And then over here, I have my phone, the remote. I have these hairbands that I got from like Romwe or somewhere like that. Some extra coins. And yeah, now we are at my bed. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the blinds so I can show you the rest of my room. Wow, so much brighter. How nice. Okay, so this is the door we came in from. This is a little hook I have, so I just have my book bag purse that I always use. Obsessed is from Steve Madden. I have cute little other purses that I use. This is a fringe one. I have some jackets that I always go for. Just the basics. And then over here, this is so funny. Okay guys, I am obsessed with this. It is my little heater. I get so cold, so I'll sit on the ground or I'll put it underneath my desk when I'm working. And I am always using that. So my little heater, definitely recommend. And then over here are some drawers that are right under my bed. So I guess I can go through one or two of them. Basically, these are all my leggings. And I promise not everything is always this organized. It's just because I'm about to move. So I've kind of gotten ready to leave and get out of here and pack. So t-shirts I wear at night. Personal items like socks, tank tops, etc, etc. And then over here is my blue tapestry. I'm pretty sure I got this from Urban Outfitters, so that is where you can get yours. The one in the living room was from Etsy. And then over here, this is what I call my little junk pile. So I don't want to get into it too much, but this is all my junk under my bed. So I got a printer, I got some extra storage, some coconut water, a tripod, a candle, I don't even know. But this right here, so this remote actually, you can see around my tapestry, I have these little lights, so it turns them on. And then over here, I have a lot of my bath sprays, just some decoration. I have just like things from places that I have visited, dried flowers. This is my friend Lindsay. She's been in like a couple of my videos. So this is me and her at a music festival. And then over here I have my Disney ears. I have some extra coin, some glasses. You crooked, it wants to be crooked. Some pictures from when I went to LA to visit, some like Polaroids, some candles that I really need to burn in a bracelet. Okay, so when we go through these drawers, I am so like, these are things I need to get rid of or I need to return, like these glasses, like things I need to get to. So up here, I have like birthday cards, I have a 17 magazine that I don't want to throw out, I need to read, just randoms. This is like more food or fun related things, so I have little toys. I always like to bring this thing to the parties. I am so lame, but it is so fun. Just candy, some vitamins, just randoms. And then over here is just kind of where I keep my, I don't know, just like all my cords or whatever else I need. So I don't want to take this thing to the new apartment, but it's just really nice to have here. Wish I had somewhere else to put it though. And then over here, so I actually made this thing right here, and if you guys go on my description bar, I'll make sure I leave a link to it and so you guys can learn how to make it. That over here is a flower crown that I wore in graduation pictures. And over here is my desk and my makeup area. So this I use for homework or if I'm working from home one day. Not homework, oh my gosh, I used to use it for homework. I graduated. Work from home for when I edit sometimes and when I do my makeup every single morning. So I'm not going to go through my collection because it's going to be changed. I don't like the containers, but those are my palettes, powders, all my makeup. Back there are just like makeup bags and samples. And then over here is a little towel I use for my makeup in the mornings. Foundation, brushes, lip gloss. This is my planner. This is my laptop. Over here I have some candles. I keep my, what are they called? Jewelry necklaces on this little pineapple. My friend made this candle. Thank you, Kelsey. So just a bunch of random things and my mirror. And now we're headed to the bed. Hi guys, I look extra ratchet. So this is what I'm wearing today. Just a no makeup, some leggings, and this little piece that you guys have seen. But this is what the bathroom looks like. So this right here, the shower curtain I got from Target. So definitely recommend. Some really not cool things back there in the shower. This is a like a little rug. What are they called? Bath mats. And then over here is where I get ready every day. Hi guys. And so again, oops, a bath mat. In these cabinets over here, I just keep like my travel bag, toilet paper. Again, it's not always clean. This is clean for me though because I had to reorganize everything before I left. So here we go. And then this is the stuff I use on the daily. And then we got this big mirror. So, okay. Random earrings. I tell you guys I always use these face wipes. I mean it. Some dry shampoo, some face stuff I've been using. If you want an updated face routine, let me know. But I'm still like working on it. Toothbrush, some travel toothpaste because I don't want to get a full-size one out until I move. I'm being so annoying about it, but I am. Same with the soap. This right here, I wear my retainers at night, so this is how I keep them clean. A candle, some brush cleaner. This thing I haven't talked about, Oreo or something, and it actually vibrates. You can hear it, and you can wash your face with it. So I have one of those. So my facial cleaner, I put this one out here because when I take showers, I take it with me, so it's just easier to reach. Another pineapple, and then this is where I keep my curling one. I keep my straightening one down there because I don't use it as much. And then this right here, I don't know why, but I have a dream catcher right in front of my toilet. Got a trash can, cleaning supplies, and then I use this little towel holder for my jewelry. So that is some random jewelry I have. And then also, it's not really that cool, but I just keep my towels back here. And this is the closet. First of all, I just want to go ahead and say, I know I have too many clothes, like I know, and with Romwe Zaffle, with me doing all these hauls, they gotta go somewhere, and so here they are. So I actually sat and organized this yesterday because when I move, a good tip is to put them in like trash bags and then take them with you. So here we are. So over here, I have like bathing suits and that. This is that fur coat I have, don't know what I'm gonna do with it, so it's in that corner. And then over here, I just have a bunch of sweaters and just random things. So we are going to start on this side. So over here are really just my scarves and everything and belts. I really never reach for this, but this is what it is. It's like on a tie holder, I think. And then here are all my sweaters. So they're kind of color coordinated, and then they get to long sleeve to short sleeve, and then they get to cropped. And then right above it are my jeans. So I have it from ripped jeans, from jeans that I don't really wear, jeans I wear to work, jeans that are colored. And then I have my shorts up there, and those are like my jean shorts versus my soft shorts. In this random corner, I just have some art supplies or DIY stuff if I need it. That is my light carrying case, and I never use. And then up here, I keep my boots. A lot of those boots back there, I'm actually gonna have to throw out, like they're completely ruined, or I plan on donating or getting rid of. Over here is a little steamer and some of my bags. And then over here, a little bit more fun. So I have my suitcases. Also, that's my laundry basket. And then the little dresses start from back here. So some of them are like really, really fancy. And then some of them are just casual. And some of these clothes you will all recognize if you guys watch my hauls from the beginning. So here's that. This is my mess of a jewelry holder. I don't know how I'm going to organize it. I'm a hoarder. I don't know what to do with this stuff because I don't even wear it. So I'm going to have to go through that eventually. Over here in this corner are my work clothes, things I wear to like offices, and I don't know, stuff like that. Over here I have my shoes. So these are my white Nike Airs. Absolutely love these. I wear them all the time. And then I just have here, these are all the clothes that I need to get rid of somehow, some way. They're going to be out of my closet pretty soon, just like donating items or selling items or whatever. And then here, it's just extra storage because I don't know where else to put anything. So basically, these are like really big sweatshirts and like pants. And then these are just more, okay, so this right here was an item I decided to keep from my video where I thought I was going to donate it. But everything else are like my cuter tops that I need special hangers to hang, and I ran out of hangers. So working on that. Over here are just a bunch of vacuum manual things for my precious vacuum. 10 out of 10. Folks. Over here is where I just keep a bunch of extra coats and sweaters that I take to work or would like to grab. So basically, that is my very, very full closet. I feel like it's really weird to hold my camera like that, but this is what we're going to do. So we are done. This is my apartment / room tour. I hope you guys really liked it. Make sure you let me know if you want to see what the new apartment looks like once I finally get it done decorating, or maybe I could do like little segments about how I'm decorating and like do step-by-steps, and then we can do the whole thing together at the very end. But this is the college apartment that I've lived in for the last 2 years. It is the end of a chapter, and I really wanted to document this just so I had it in the future. Hopefully you guys liked it, and if you did, make sure you leave a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next week because I know you guys are going to hit that subscribe button. Okay, talk to you guys soon. Bye guys!